Casualty simulation is a tool to expose a company's first aid officers and first responders to a workplace-based medical situation. It's been said, first aid training is like insurance. You never know how good it is until you have to make a claim. CASSIM gives first aiders a chance to practice how to manage a serious first aid situation without anybody actually being injured. CASSIM is made immersive by using actors as patients in a specific work-based scenario and having a moulage technician create realistic-looking injuries. We conduct an introduction session with the participants to go over the fundamental principles of first aid, work through the industry-specific scenario, and then conduct a debriefing session to cover any issues identified during the exercise. We then send the workplace a report on the scenario to assist workplace health and safety managers with identifying skills shortages in the workplace. If you would like to find out more, please contact Johnson First Aid Training at johnsonfirstaidtraining.com.au.